I'm going to show you how to remove latex paint off of a surface. This happens to be the rail, the top rail, for a security door. It's metal. I bought this security door used, and I need to get some paint off of it. You can remove latex paint with denatured alcohol. I put a little denatured alcohol in a paper towel. Latex paint comes right off with denatured alcohol. You can use denatured alcohol to remove latex paint on plastics, wood, metal. If this were oil-based paint, I would use mineral spirits to remove it. You can use paper towels or a cloth to remove the latex paint. That's caulking that I'm also removing with the denatured alcohol. The caulking comes off because it's water-based latex caulking. If it were silicone caulking, you can't get that off with denatured alcohol. Now I'm going to go along and clean the rest of this rail and the side rail for the security door. I just thought I'd show you how to remove latex paint with denatured alcohol. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.